Hi everyone, I'm Shih Yun. Besides using robots, I also like to make my own brushes. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform this mop into a useful DIY mop brush. We will need an old mop head, a pair of disposable chopsticks, a pair of scissors, and some tape. See you later! I use unconventional tools to paint because I am interested in the idea of chance, gesture, and spontaneity in my art making. By using an old mop and disposable chopsticks, I'm able to introduce imperfections into my artistic process. I'm often intrigued by the raw and unpredictable results such interesting tools can bring to my work. Here we will loosen the fibers of the strings at the ends. Attach the strings to the disposable chopsticks with tape. Let's wet the paper with the mop brush. Now we will dip the mop brush with Chinese ink and apply it on the paper. You can use any water-based paint as well. As you can see, the mop brush creates very interesting marks. Imagine using toothbrushes or comb to paint. How would that look? Observe how these marks interact with the wet surface of the paper. Their movements are random and unpredictable. The element of chance and spontaneity plays a very important role in my work. Try painting with your left hand or with your eyes closed. Surprise yourself. Some artists have a systematic approach to creating work. As an artist, I wish to lose and gain control at different stages of the process. How about you?